Hi, I'm Tom Burnley with Piximation. Welcome to Introduction to Blender Animation Tools. Blender is a free, open-source 3D production application that can be used to create feature-quality animation. In this course, we're going to take an in-depth look at the animation tools available in Blender so you have a solid understanding of how to use these for your own production. We'll start by looking at how to download and install Blender, then we'll review the interface and custom configurations. After I go through the basic concepts of animation in Blender, we'll look at the main work areas, known as animation editors. When we're done reviewing these, you should have a deeper understanding of their function and how to use them to produce animation. After that, we'll discuss some additional tools and resources available in Blender to enhance and adjust your animations. We'll go through the process for getting audio and video into your scene to use as reference. Finally, we're going to look at ways to quickly render a shot to check your animation performance so you can bring it to a finished, polished state. When you're done with this course, you should have a much deeper understanding of Blender and be comfortable using the animation tools. With that, let's get started reviewing Blender's animation tools.